Okay, guys, let's go to this short explanation about what you saw on this video with this true strategy for binary options. Obviously, I'm gonna leave it the explanation. You saw the explanation before when I trying to explain why I taken that signals. And for example, why I decided not trade with this one. Well, the first thing that I noticed here was a volatile candle, so I prefer just stay out and don't take it any signal. Another example was this one here, Euro USD. This one here looks like it even cross for a downtrend or signal for a put for me, but never crossed these two lines, so I prefer never take it. Something that I noticed with this strategy is even better if I wait to cross in the period 80 or 20 for a different signals. 80 for a put, 20 for a call. It's even better in the moment that I wait to cross in this moving average you saw here. Is better, more writable signal to trade for a put or a call for this to restart for binary options. The first thing, or the first advice I'm gonna share with you today is never make overtrade. Never. You're gonna lose your money. I saw a video when someone says if you have a bad enter or bad SR or enter a bad price, and the price, for example, you trade for a put here, but the candle moved so fast here, you enter again for a put and continue going up here for a put again. If this happen, you can have lucky and have three around in the money with this just short candle. But if the price sometimes is a bitch and can leave you this short candle for all the money and losing three around. And I don't know how much money you trade per trade, but my advice is only using a little percentage of your balance to earn money, just the 10% of your balance to generate real profits with binary options and with this to return for binary options. So the first advice is never made over trade. Never made over trade. If you trade with $10, you are gonna generate $16 with this same two signals. $16, okay? For example, payout for this currency pairs that I take it for the different signals was 80%. So I have $8 per trade. If I trade with $10, so I made $16 just in a few minutes. But the idea of this is increase your balance. If you don't have the money to deposit $1,000 or $500, you only have $10 or $20, $50, or $100. So start trading only with the 10%. You're gonna generate profits if you follow the simple steps with these 234 binary options. Today in this video, I don't want to talk too much, just show you step by step how to follow this strategy, how to follow the simple methods to generate profit with binary option, the broker pocket option, as a simple strategy. And I hope so this video like it. And the third advice I'm gonna share with you right now, well, the first one was never made over trade. The second one is only trade with the 10% of your balance. Don't trade with the hold your money, because you're gonna lose it just in one trade, and your dream to be a writable trader is gonna break up or down in that moment. So the third advice is follow the rules. If you follow the rules, you can generate profits, but if you don't follow the rules, obviously you can lose money. And the fourth and the last advice is start with paper money, practice, so what you did good or bad, and take notice about that, and trying to improve your next trade session. Okay, I think with this strategy is more simple to understand the more safely to trade the last ones that I share here on this channel, but it's writable, is really good, and you need to follow the simple steps. Let's go to telling you one more time the steps why we taken the signals. I think this one was here, right? Yes. Well, I decided to trade for a call because my moving average crossing here and crossing the period 20, this line you can see it here, 20. crossing and going up, I have a stronger green candle, so I enter here on this candle, if I don't wrong, or this candle. So I trade for a call. The period time is gonna be 3 minutes. Doesn't matter if you're looking here, you have 2 minutes and 10 seconds. You're gonna trade for that period time, and that is gonna be your signal. Even doesn't matter if you're crossing here again for a put, because we are searching signals for a call in this case. Why? Because the exponential moving average period 20 telling me crossing, and we are gonna have a short uptrend. We are gonna try to using that uptrend to generate profits with a simple signal and trade for 3 minutes. This is the rules and the settings. You saw that rules before and the settings too. So I hope this video like it. Please smash in this video and see you in the next video.